Hey, the Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Okay, I got some stairs right here to the side of me, and I've had a few of them break. We had our mother-in-law coming over to help walk the dogs over the weekend so we could get out of town. I had to replace some of these steps so she wasn't falling through. So I'm going to show you what I did to replace them to make their stairs acceptable for now. Because it's really expensive to be replacing your whole stairs, on a deck like this. But you can do some nice Band-Aid patches, okay? So let's just get right over there and I'll show you how to do it. And it looks like Molly wants to say hi. And so does Benny. Everyone's like, alright, good puppies. So you guys can see, pretty straightforward. Bottom two steps, and then I've got another one up there, had to be replaced, okay? So, a couple things first, right off the bat. These ones here I replaced like a year ago, okay? This one here, I know because there's actually a seam in between them. This one here, there's no seam, okay? And that's because it was cut out of a 2x12. And they did that because it was quicker to cut a single board and drop it down. But what it causes is it causes a lot of water to be held up into it. It causes the boards to rot faster. So what you really should be using is two 2x6s. I got one here, one there. That way there's a small gap in the middle, let the water drain. And that's really a better way to do it, okay? So if yours was cut with a 2x12, like this, don't replace it with a 2x12. Replace it with two 2x6s. Yep, Benny wants to showcase the stairs for us. Alright, and then once you get the old step pried off, the first thing you can do is re-support the area where it broke off. Because there's a good chance that the risers are cracked out in the cuts there. Okay, like you can see right here, this, that piece was too small to put back. It's some of the ones I try to put back in place and screw them all in there just to give as much support as you can. But that's why I've got this 2x6 here on the inside to re-support it, because this was cracked. And you can see a lot of the reasons that they get cracked really easy. A lot of times they overcut when they build them, and then so from here to here, or sometimes right through here, cracks as they get old. That definitely happens a lot. And when I did the repairs on those 3 steps, I added a few more blocks where there was just more cracks to help keep them from completely breaking. So you can see I added a board there, added a board there, there. Now that one there is actually on the step that I replaced, and then down that way, of course, as well. Now when you put these boards in there, you want to just try to get as good meat as you can and sink some good 3-inch deck screws in. Use a 3-inch because it's going to be the maximum depth. 1.5 inch on this board, 1.5 inch on that board, 3 inches. It's almost 100% through, basically. And pre-drill, okay? This old wood is old, so pre-drill them. Please pre-drill. Pre-drill. Don't crack more than you've already cracked. So just a quick review. After you've taken the old steps off, add your patches to the stair risers to take care of any cracks or any broken pieces that came off of that. Then you're just going to cut your new 2x6s, screw those in place, pre-drill those as well. Pre-drill, please. Can't say that enough. And then you're really done. And I've got 3 new steps on this one right now. I think I did 3 like last year. Next year I'm probably going to have to rip the whole thing down. I hope this video gives you guys some tips on how to put some good patches into your steps so that they're not going to break off when your mother-in-law walks down them. Don't want your mother-in-law falling down your stairs. I mean, some of you might say, well, no, because she'll survive and you're going to pay for it. So get them fixed. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. There's some more video guys for you to check out. You guys have a great day.